awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I am here sharing a lot of insight about the law of attraction, power of subconscious mind, how you can go for your dream and create massive success, unlimited happiness and magical abundance. So today I have a very interesting story to share. Today I am sharing how I manifested my passport using the law of attraction. This is my second passport, but there were a lot of obstacles during getting this passport done, and how I used the law of attraction and the power of gratitude to manifest this passport. So I'm sure when you listen to my story, you can apply the same thing in many areas of your life where things are getting stuck, and how you can use the same process and the same methodologies to manifest many things in your life. Like when I made the first passport, at that time getting a passport done in India was a havoc task. Like you have to go through a lot of processes to get things done, but now the government of India has transformed everything magically, and everyone get their passport very quickly. Definitely everybody is getting their passport done very quickly, and within a month you get it. But in my case there were some obstacles. Like they have certain conditions that you have to produce the residential proof where you have lived in last 1 or 2 years or 3 years of times. And if you are like, if someone is living in the same place and they have all those documents ready, then it's a cakewalk. But in my case, because I keep shifting to different cities, I keep traveling around, so I had some issues regarding my residential proof, because I lived in various different places in last 1 year and 2 year time. So I need to produce many documents, and but still while I applied, they took all the documents and it was done. So I thought, okay, like once the application was accepted without any resistance, when it's done, then just I have to wait for the things to be clear and get my passport within the next, let's suppose like 15-20 days. And I was keep waiting, and I was very assured that it is going to happen. But then what happened, then I found that no update is coming. Like what is the status of my passport, and there was absolutely no update. And then I went to their website and I checked there, and it shows that there are some issues related to my residential proof documents. I wrote them, nothing happened. I called up the call center again, customer care, nothing happened. They said the same thing. After that, like this process, almost 1 month was gone. And at that point I really started thinking like, why things are not working, and what should I do? And I waited for like another 7 days, and I did not get any response. By that time I was not really thinking about using the law of attraction or power of gratitude or anything, because I was thinking the process is so phenomenal, so it will be done. Maybe just after a few days it will work, after a few days it will work. So then when I felt that everything got stuck, finally I have to turn towards the universe. So what I would suggest everyone watching this video, that if anything is stuck anywhere, like if your money is stuck with someone, if some of your certification are stuck with someone, anything, any manifestation which is stuck, you just start practicing these two things. Start writing gratitude every night before going to sleep, and write gratitude for all the people who are involved in it, whether you know them personally or not, whether you know their name or not, but there must be some people involved in it. So write gratitude, right? Like in my case I wrote, I'm grateful to all the people working in the passport office, all the people who are processing my applications, all the people who are doing all the data entries and all, so that I'm grateful to each one of them for doing their part happily for me, so that I'm getting my passport done. Then you can write gratitude to all the things also related. Like I wrote gratitude to my passport. Like I wrote that I'm so grateful to my new passport which is coming into my hand, and which will be with me for next 10 years and will be taking me around the globe. So start writing this gratitude every night for a certain period of time till you feel really happy and all the resistance will be removed. And then what you can do after writing the gratitude, even you can imagine it like the things has already get manifested, like you have already received the thing. So in my case, like the way I started imagining that I got the new passport and I am holding it in my hand, right the way right now I'm holding it in my hand, I'm looking through the pages and I'm looking at my name written over there, the numbers and everything. So I just play this thing in my mind. So one night I wrote gratitude, next night I again wrote the same kind of gratitude, kind of 10-20 lines. When I was writing, I was filled with so much of happiness. Then I did the process again the next day. So when I did the same process on the third night, I wrote the gratitude letter again, and again before going to sleep I imagine. So I felt more excited, more happy. So what happened when I did this? After third day I went to sleep, and on the fourth morning when I woke up, I got a status message on my phone that my passport application processing has been started. All documents are verified, and the process has been started, and I'll be getting it within next 2 days. And I was keep doing the practice. I become very happy. I thank the universe, and I become very happy. And again next day I did the same process, and within just 2 to 3 days of time, then the passport got delivered, the new passport got printed, and I got the new passport. And this is the new passport that I got from the passport office. So in some cases it may take like 1 day for some people, and some cases it may take even 30 days. So don't count the days, keep doing the process, and when you do the process you can manifest anything and everything. And I do the same process so many times. Only thing I was not doing in case of passport was, I was very sure that because the system is so great, I'll be receiving it without doing any effort. But sometimes universe its own way to give you some insight, universe its own way to test your faith, test your processes. So universe has some plan in this case for me, that okay, let's delay it for some time and let's see how AJ is reacting. I did not reacted, but I responded, or I proactively took the power of gratitude and manifested it. So this is my story of manifesting my new passport, and if you love this story, then do share with other people, and like this video. And if you have a story like how you manifested something using the law of attraction or power of gratitude or imagination or visualization or affirmation, anything, you can share. You can write to me at az@awesomeaz.com. You can publish your story on my blog, or you can write in the comment section and let me know about some of your story. I would love to read your story, how you have manifested what you have manifested. So thank you for watching this video, and do share it with other people, and happy manifesting. The universe is always working for us. So keep believing in the universe, use the power of gratitude, use your imagination, and keep manifesting your dream. Thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.